So, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the fifth day of AI Creators Internship. It is my pleasure to introduce our speaker for today, Raviteja Puli. He is a senior data engineer with over 7 years of hands-on experience in crafting and deploying robust data solutions. His expertise spans both on-premise and cloud technology, utilizing a diverse array of tools such as Python, PySpark, Kafka, and the Azure suite, including Databricks and Data Factory. Ravi's proficiency extends to developing sophisticated applications and REST APIs using the Flask framework, showcasing his versatile skill set in both development and integration. His journey as a self taught data engineer reflects his dedication and passion for the field. Please join me in welcoming Raviteja Puri.
Hi team. Thanks for the introduction, Tanmay. Uh, can you? The slide is coming little. It is coming like too much zoom. Can you adjust that, or can I share screen? Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Then. Are you able to see my screen? Okay. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about Python and as well as Streamlit. Hope you already know what is Python. It is a programming language. It is a programming language which is being used extensively in all areas of technical fields, uh, and it is an it is an uh, it is extensively being used in machine learning and deep learning also, and and to develop web developments also, and as well as a backend engineering in even in big data tech stack also. It is a prominent one, so it is better to learn about Python. So that's why we are using this, and because it is very easy to learn that also, and you can learn quickly, and you can interact. You can develop many web apps or anything or any chatbots which are being developed very fastly. Um, and it can be used for data analysis also. So we thought it is better to use Python instead of going complete development of another big big languages like Java, Scala, or anything. So we thought it is better to go with Python. So hope you all will understand easily. Um, Generally, first you have to install Python in your laptops. Uh, it is different, depends upon each operating system, and go to this website python.org and install the latest version and add that uh, Python version to your path. And after installing, you have to verify that Python is installed or not using these two commands mostly. 1 second. Hope you are. Hope you are. You all. Sorry for the delay. Some technical glitches there. Um, so I hope you all installed the Python in your laptops or desktop. So after installing that, you have to go through the verification steps like using these commands. And after that, yeah, so generally, when we speak in any, when we are doing any projects or any development activities, we need Python packages or modules. We need to develop that projects and all. So but we may not need those packages in different projects. So at that time, we want to leverage a functionality which is being used in Python extensively is called virtual environments. So you have to understand what is virtual environment first, then we can delve into how we have to use this virtual environment and all. So, first you have to install the virtual environment. So generally this virtual environment will be definitely be useful in your every project where uh, you have to get you have to create the isolated environment, and this environment will be useful to replicate in any other way, so that you can't miss any the dependencies of the project without having to mix with another project's dependencies. Yeah, so how to install the virtual environment? This is the command. Whenever you install Python, it will have definitely the come along with pip. So if it doesn't, you can install pip also easily using the Python command only. You can find those documents in Google. After installing virtual environment, uh, you have to create a environment um, for your project, so that all your dependencies will deployed into that package. So this is the way. So I will show you one my example, live example in my laptop. Just kindly wait. So if you are seeing my environment, I have created. I will create one folder like this is. So if you are seeing this, so this is one package. I mean, this is in this folder. I'm going to create a new project. So in this project, I am creating one environment. This is the method we will create in this environment, and it will create it under this. So how to activate that is, so under this package, all of our all of our projects will be useful. All of our projects dependencies will be here. So that is the way we have to create a virtual environments. This is how to create a virtual environment using this command, and we have to activate using this command. And to come out of this virtual environment, you have to use this command, deactivate. So we are not using that environment now. So whenever we don't have to use that environment for of our project, we can use that command deactivate. If we want to replicate the things, suppose I am trying to create this some packages only in this for this project are called install Streamlit. Will install in that package. Okay. We can install pandas also. We can install numpy. So they are having some default versions are there. So which is not, we can install cball, which is useful for plotting. install matplotlib. So these are the packages which are useful for developing our project. So if you want to create the same type of environment in another system or in our system only at another package at another place, instead of installing these things again in that environment, we can create all these dependencies. We can get all the list using this command. If you see this file, whatever the packages it's being used in this environment, all will be listed here. So these some default packages will be there, some packages which we install, all will be there here. So whenever if we want to create any other environment to other packages, I mean to other projects, then we have to use this file, and this file uh, we have to run this command pip install space -r space requirements.txt, and it will install whatever the packages which are there in that specific file. So this is the way we can give whatever name you want. So this is the virtual environment you have to use to create it. If it is in Windows, we have to use this command. I'm using in my laptop. This is the thing we have to use generally for Linux systems to activate that virtual environment. And after that, uh, these are the two commands which I have shown in my system: pip freeze and to pip freeze to get all the packages uh, required for our project. And to create the packages to our project, again we have to use this pip install command space minus r command. So this is how we have to use Python as well as its virtual environment to create our projects. So coming to the main target of this session is that, so to understand about Streamlit and where we can use this Streamlit effectively is that, so generally uh, Streamlit is a package, like it is a library to create interactive web applications for majority of the time people who knows Python. For machine learning people or for data science people, they want to showcase their results to the executives or analysts, whoever is there about them. So they have to show that. So at that time, instead of they can't create any web pages using front-end packages, front-end frameworks like React or Angular or Next.js or any other thing. So instead of wasting time too much on developing that skill set, as well as, or if they don't have that skill set, instead of depending upon the other people, like front-end developers or full stack developers, so to make their life easy, they developed this app called Streamlit. There are many other packages are there like Streamlit, like Gradio or Solanero, but for our target, we are using Streamlit. So because it is very easy to use it and set it up, and it will definitely be useful to just get an idea and give an idea to in a very interactive way to the executives. That's why we are going to use Streamlit. So how to install it is um, this is the command we have to use, so Streamlit. So I'm using this same thing. This is the how to create it. I will show it. I will show it in my screen now. Again, just wait for a second. Nothing. It's just that I have just copy pasted it. Same thing. So um, here I'm going to the package which we are going to use in this thing. Uh, this is the app I have created. That name I have given hello world.py. We can name it as ever we want. Generally, people start with app.py. Here they have given app.py name. So to run this Streamlit program is just a simple command. Okay, Streamlit run app.py. First, to run this thing, we have to activate the environment which we created for this project. Okay, so to do that, hope you remember the same command. So I have activated that. Are you able to see my screen now? Hope you all are able to see my screen now. Uh, so I have this is the command I have used to activated my virtual environment. Now I have I just have to run this Streamlit run. I am not using app.py because that is not my program name. So Streamlit run hello underscore world dot py. So actually, for me, my default browser is Safari, which is not working properly in my laptop. So this is our local URL. It will run in our local system at this port. This is our port number. So I'm just using. Uh, so this is a simple app. Wait. Yeah. So in this Streamlit components, there are in this Streamlit there are many other things are there which we have to cover today. Uh, so just give me 1 second. సరిగ్గా వర్క్ అవ్వట్లేదు. Sorry, I'm speaking on mute. Sorry. So there are many components are there in Streamlit. One of the components we have to start initially is that. So this is the text. There are some text elements are there which we have to cover. So I will show you one by one. For now, just copying enabling this. First, we have to set how to set a page config along with the title and its icon. Okay, this is ST is a Streamlit. That this Streamlit package comes under with placeholder with the ST as like a variable. You imagine like that as a variable, and when this is the function name set page config, we are giving a page title and page icon as of now. Okay, so this how you can see is that if you are seeing wait, I will show more clearly. This is the if you are seeing my top left corner, this is the page title. Okay, Streamlit features demo, which we have given here. Streamlit features demo. Okay, this is what the page title. Okay, Streamlit features demo and page icon. This is the page icon. I have given just a fire thing here. You might ask me like how to get these things, how to paste these things. There is a website called Emojipedia. You can go there. You can get whatever you want. Like if you search something. Uh, yeah, you can copy this here. You can do this and paste directly. Okay. Now it have to show here. See, it is changing. So whatever you want, you can create that thing, or there is another way called favicon. Okay, I don't want to more delve on to this. Go here and create some images, small icons, and you can give that URL also. or you can get whatever emoji you want, you can put there and it will be useful. Some people will use, many people will use like that. So this is how, this is the how this is the way to set a page title and icon. Okay. Next part is that, so how to set the uh, page page titles as well as subheaders, how to give all those things. Like in Markdown, we can't do everything like in Markdown. These are the commands we have to use: st.title and st.subheader, which will be useful for you, because we these are the things we have to specify mainly to introduce the demos of your projects. So how they will come is that, like this. This is the page title. Okay, this is the header. Okay, subheader. This is the title. This is the, on a page title. This is like a this title, page top title. Okay, this is a, whatever we want to explain, that title will comes under st dot title. This will come under page title. Okay, this is the header. Okay, so the text elements which we have, this is the way we have to set a title and subtitle. Okay, and next thing we have to cover is that text elements. Okay, this is the header text elements. This is whatever this is where we have to create headers using this command st.header. And if you want to write anything like a normal plain text, you have to use like st.write. You can write here things. Hope you at least know what is HTML. It's just that you can include all those markdowns here. Okay. Uh, then we can use markdowns also like this. Some people will be habituated to markdowns. So these are the things. If you want, the functionality of this is that, so it is when our first file is getting changed, it will notify here. You have to like this. So this is a header element. Okay, st dot header. St dot header will give you a text element. Okay, this is a normal write up, and this is a markdown. If you remember, this is a markdown. Okay, greater than. It will give a link like this. Are you able to see now? If I zoom in more, I will miss what I have to show. Okay, using this, we can set a page title. This is the title and subtitle, and these three are some of the text elements. Don't think that these are the only text elements. I'm just giving you some example. Okay. Hope you understood what are these things which we have covered. This is the first topic. I mean, first sub part. Next is that, so widgets. Hope you all have idea what is till now. This is just importing the packages. We know what is set page config. We know what is title and subheader. We know what is header. So I'll show one by one what is the each functionality. So this is a button, and it will be like a, normal rectangular button or anything. You can modify it if you have too much proficiency in HTML and CSS. Okay, I'll show how it will be there. So this is just a heading and button. Whenever you type st dot button, hope you are all able to see this thing. Whenever you are giving the st dot button, it will create a button. Whatever you want to write, you write it, and if it is getting clicked, it will respond with this command. Okay, this is a button widget. This is the checkbox thing. It will show, you will see what it is there, like checkbox. Okay, but currently it is showing like this, but in real time, you know that if it is checkbox, you can use it for login or a registrations thing, where you can use it in many ways. The response we are just capturing like this just to show it. This is one checkbox widget. Hope you all are able to see the code for this button and checkbox. Next thing is that radio buttons. If I show the functionality only, then only you will understand what is that. The command syntax for this is that st.radio. So if I select option 2, it will come like this. Option 3, it will come like this. Okay, this is the list of options. You will get it. Okay, this button will be called as a this functionality is called as a radio buttons. Okay, then you will have another thing also. I will disable this. This is a select box. So you will have a select box like this. In this, how many things, whatever you want to specify, you can specify here. Okay. This thing, this thing. Okay. This is a select box thing. Hope you are able to see this syntax now. I have highlighted it. If you are not able to see, please let me know. Hope you understand this. These are very, very simple things only. Next is multi-select option. Okay. You can give whatever you want if you don't want that or anything. Okay. A, okay. Like this, these type of things you will get in a multi-select option. Okay. Hope you understand this multi-select. And sometimes you have to use slider also. the options are giving, we are giving like this as a list of things, and here select option, whatever it is getting selected, it is printing here. This is the slider. You can give temperature values or minimum maximum values, or if you want to see the uh, other values for any columns thing, if you want to compare, you can see this. So these are the widgets you are able to see, um, which are being used in multiple in many ways. Most of the Streamlit web apps, it will have mainly these widgets. You can have many other widgets also. Uh, so another functionality I'm showing in Streamlit is that, okay, file upload, how to upload files and all, CSV files and all. Okay, this is the command which we have to use, st.fileuploader, where we have to use, we can use to upload a file, and we can use it to read it also. Okay. Okay. Here you can upload it here. My pop-ups are blocked, so that's why I'm not getting this. But you will get this. This is the command. I mean, this is the syntax you have to use. So another thing, another functionality which I'm going to see is that, suppose if we have a actually I want to show how by uploading a CSV file and create charts, but it is not properly showing in my laptop. So that's why this is, hope you will understand best using this. Okay. So I'm just giving a normal data frame here with ABC columns. I'm just taking some random values using NumPy. Okay, this is just thing, and it is just printing the data frame using that thing, st.data frame here. Okay, here we can create charts. Okay, using the Streamlit thing, like Streamlit line underscore chart, Streamlit bar underscore chart, st dot this thing and this thing. Okay, you can use like that. This is how you have to create a charts. Okay, and there are other things also, like to create navigation things and all those things using Streamlit. And and after these things, um, you go through all the resources which are available in this PPT, and I will send those links in the PPT. And one more thing is that, what another good resource is that, 30 days of Streamlit. you go through this, you will understand. You have to practice these things. Okay, every day, not don't. It is telling like it will give a instruction to do like a day wise, but you can go at a stretch. It is a very easy thing. So for day one, you have to go what it is telling and all. Here they are using Conda environment. I am using Python virtual environment. Okay. So till day 30, you have the content. It will have, you can complete all those things. And after that, you have to understand what is Seaborn package. Okay. And after that, you have to use Matplotlib package, or you can use Streamlit package also. Whatever it is, the assignment will have uh, the things which you have to do on your own, using the things which are being covered in these things in 30 days of Streamlit and whatever I told this, then you will get familiarized with Streamlit more. You have to do it by hands, then you will understand what, how, and all these things. So what I am trying to convey is that I will I will send some data sets as an assignment, and you have to take that data set and create a charts out of it, more or less similar to what I am going to show now. Okay. I am 1 second, 1 second. Just some problem is there in my environment. Are you able to see my screen? Okay. I am not showing the code now as of now. But you can do easily if you go through all the links. Okay. So these are the 5 CSV files which are having some data, and these 5 files I am sending, and I will show you the output now how I am expecting. But my intention is that you don't have to do exactly what I am doing, and you have to get a multi-select option where you have to select all these, where you can get an where you should get an ability to select any of the files which is there. Okay. And out of that CSV file you can create some sample charts. I'll show you. Wait, I have okay, this is a data visualizer. I want everybody to have some changes here. Don't worry about this icon. I already told to you one. This is and all simple things. Okay. I want this title have to be like this or whatever. You can add your name or whatever you think. You should have option like this. Okay. Suppose I'm saying like some what related data. I'm just printing this some sample data, and I'm giving the an option like x-axis, y-axis and all, and these are the 3 plots you have to create for each of the data set. Okay, this is the line plot I have selected. Age, I have selected an x-axis. Okay, y-axis I have selected cholesterol. Age wise I am comparing a cholesterol on a y-axis. Okay, don't worry about don't worry about a page layout. Okay, it is printing like this, it is coming like this exactly and all. There is one option called st columns. Okay, try to understand that and you will easily get this. Okay, it's just that I'm not spoon feeding it. Okay, now you create a line plot. Okay, see, by age wise, and this is the cholesterol wise. By age is getting increased, it is going like this, and it is coming like this. Okay, if the same thing I'm creating a bar chart. Okay, you will get like this. And okay, okay, you can do scatter plot also. Okay, these are all select options and all those things only. This is the plotting. This plot you can get these 3 type of things: line plot, bar chart, scatter plot. You can do it in Streamlit, Matplot or Seaborn. Whatever packages you are comfortable, and you create it and you can do this. Okay, these 5 data sets I will give. Okay, this is heart related data, this is Parkinson's disease related. Okay, this is some Titanic data set. Okay, I'm showing this survived with respect to gender. Okay, I'm just generating it. Okay, okay, it might not be meaningless and all, but for you all to showcase anything, what type of data set you are visualizing and all, this will be useful. Okay. Remember this, for this to get this type of functionality, you have to use ST columns. Okay, there are many other alternate ways are there. You can do it. This line plot, bar chart, scatter plot and all, you can use Streamlit or Matplot or Seaborn. Anything you can use. Okay. Yeah. That's it, guys, for today's Streamlit thing. You can ask any other doubts.
Anyone having any doubts can mention in the comment box. If anyone is having any trouble with your course enrollment, please give a call to the helpline number and give them your registered mail ID so that they can help you. And about the groups, please be patient that you will be added in the groups within 1 day. Within 1 day, you will be added into the group, so please be patient. And your Scrum Masters will help you with the issues you have later. And regarding any more doubts, you can comment in the comment section. And regarding the assignments deadline, it will be increased. And our team will be trying to reach out to you and solve your problems. And for submitting the assignments, the deadline will be increased, so you will not be having any problem. We will extend the deadline for the assignments. And please be patient. Once your team is formed, your team leads will help you working out with the LMS issues and all. Any more doubts? Can use the chat box option. So we are ending the session. As we near the end of this enlightening session, I want to take a moment to express a sincere gratitude to those who have made this event possible. First and foremost, a huge thank you to our esteemed speaker, Raviteja. I also want to extend a heartfelt thanks to each one of you for your participation and engagement with the course of the session. Let's carry forward the insights we gained today and continue to build and innovate in our respective fields. Thank you all once again and have a great evening.